China is on the news again, but this time it is for the good of humanity and science and not some Jason Bourne spy thriller. The space race isn't over, and in less than 2 years, China has taken a small but important step toward becoming a space power. In 2020, and for the first time, the Asian superpower sent a robot rocket to the moon. But not just any part of the moon. The robot rocket was sent to Oceanus Procellarum, which means Ocean of Storms in Latin. Oceanus Procellarum is a vast lunar mare that looks like a huge dark spot from Earth. This is the youngest part of the moon's surface. The robot rocket, which is actually the Chang'e 5 spacecraft, landed near Mount Rumker and used its robotic arm to grab samples from the moon and send them to an orbiting station that was above the moon. The samples were then sent back to Earth from there, and all of this happened in one moon day, which is about 14 Earth days. The results of the analysis of these samples, which are the first lunar samples taken since the Soviet mission Lunik 24 in 1976, are surprising. And the Chinese Space Agency thinks it has found the answer to one of the most important questions about the moon. Where does the water on the moon come from? No one knew where this frozen water came from before now. Other space robots have also found ice in the lit parts of the moon, but they haven't been able to figure out how it got there. Researchers think it may have come from an asteroid or a water reservoir that hadn't been found before. But now the Chinese made a major discovery to find out the answers. In a study released on Monday, experts from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and 2 European researchers say that the samples sent by Chang'e 5 hold the answer to where the water on the moon came from. These samples, which were taken from Oceanus Procellarum, have impact glass beads, which are small pieces of different colored glass that probably formed when a meteorite collided with the moon at a high temperature. The study, which was published in the journal Nature Geoscience, says that these glass beads have tiny amounts of water inside them, like they are storing the water. And the crazy thing is that impact beads are all over the moon. We're talking billions or even trillions of beads spread all over the moon, which could add up to a lot of water. Researchers think that impact glass beads on the moon could hold 270 billion tons of water. That is a lot of water. This discovery is seen as one of the most important breakthroughs for space agencies all over the world, because it means there could be a highly accessible source of not only water, but also hydrogen and oxygen. What do you think about this new discovery? Please let us know in the comments section. That is all we have for you today. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and the like button if you found this video informative. Also, hit the little bell so you get notified when we post new informative videos like this just for you. Thank you for watching. Till next time.